Brushmo replacement toothbrush heads compatible with Sonicare E-Series HX7022 6-pack. Our replacement toothbrush heads are proven to reduce gingivitis much better than a manual toothbrush. Screw-on system fits. Advance, CleanCare, Elite, Essence and Xtreme brush handles. The quality of Brushmo Premium toothbrush heads is comparable to the name brand electric toothbrush heads. Bristles will fade a replacement as needed, usually 3 months. Our toothbrushes are made with DuPont filaments, which for more than 70 years, has been recognized as the apex of quality in the oral care synthetic filament industry. End-rounded nylon bristles provide important benefits for toothbrushes when cleaning soft tissue. With end-rounded bristles, plaque on tooth surfaces can be effectively removed while providing holistic care to both the teeth and gums. Bend recovery is the ability of a material to return to its original shape after deformation. Brushmo toothbrush filaments enjoy a high level of bend recovery. Top reviews from the United States. So far, a very good value. Getting hard to find the Sonicare originals and very expensive. These seem to be just as good and saved us from replacing working toothbrush units. As for longevity, only a couple of weeks in, so just taking a guess that they'll hold up to normal use as expected.